Mmm. They're so good. They're so good.
This is actually really good.
I see why people come here.
Yeah.
Today we're making the soup that probably single-handedly keeps Olive Garden in business.
Now here's the crazy thing. We're gonna be making it with Survival K Food canned meat.
I heard the salad's good here as well.
Well, it's free. It's unlimited.
Wait, what? What do you pay for here?
People love this, and everybody thinks, well, it's an Italian soup. The Zuppa Toscana really means Tuscan soup. And the farmers would take kale and they
And I've got a truth for you. I hate kale.
would take sausage and some broth and just cook it down, and they would eat it. But when Olive Garden got a hold of it, they made it gourmet. And how'd they do that? They added cream, yeah, and then they sprinkled cheese on it, so it became a gourmet soup.
Oh, it's raining cheese, and this is my birthday.
Now, I gotta tell you, we're gonna switch this up a little bit. I have a secret ingredient we're gonna put in this Zuppa Toscana. It's gonna blow your mind, and it's gonna make it so much better. I bet they'll copy me.
I can't wear this to an Olive Garden. It's fine Italian dining, damn it.
Okay, you're gonna need some fennel. I buy it in bulk because I don't use fennel for anything else. It costs me 9 cents. Just grind it up myself. Then we're gonna need to dice up our onions, chop those up pretty fine, but they will cook down. And then get your garlic going, give it a smash, chop it up, put a little bit of salt on your cutting board. It makes for cutting garlic much easier. Then get your potato. I got mine at the gym. Yeah, he was there. He wanted to get shredded. Yeah, hey, cut it about 1/4 inch thick. Get your kale, get that little stemmy thing out of there. You don't want to eat that. It's not gonna cook down. That all chopped up, set it aside. Now let's get our skillet going with our meat.
Okay, first thing we want to do is get out our Survival K Food ground beef. I like to give it a shake like that. That's what the can looks like. Pop it open and let's go ahead and put our seasoning in it. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and put our seasoning in it. We've got that fennel we crushed up. We've got garlic. We've got onion. We've got oregano, a little bit of salt. Here's some hot peppers if you want it. Leave it out if you don't. And some smoked paprika. Let's dump that in.
Now don't forget, when you're cooking stuff, you've got to taste it. It may need some more salt or pepper or whatever. Can't believe people will serve people food they haven't tasted.
Free, unlimited.
Do we pay for anything?
Well,
How do you guys make money here?
Okay, next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna get our pot going here. I use lard, homemade lard. Yes, much better for you than those seed oils. Get our onions in there, get those sauteed down a little bit first. Do that before your garlic, then put the garlic in. If you do it at the same time, the garlic's probably gonna burn and it's not gonna taste good. Get our potatoes in there. Hey, we got hot tubers now. Hot tubers, yeah, something like that. Get those all cooked in, and yes, we make our own chicken broth. Just, boil down some bones and skin. It's not hard to do. Now, you wanna check the potatoes. It should just be falling apart, but still kind of hold together. Then you know it's done. Throw our kale in there.
I hate kale.
Yes, I heard you the first time, but if you cook it down, it's pretty good in this soup. Of course, we're gonna add our heavy cream now. Heavy cream makes everything good. A little bit more. There we go. Give that a good stir. And we're starting to look good. This doesn't take long at this point, a few minutes. I drained the meat, so I'm gonna go ahead and put that back in. It's been sitting over there, clumped up a little bit, so we wanna make sure we break that up. It's looking pretty good. I'm getting hungry. Can you smell that? We don't have smell-o-vision. See that like yellow tint there? That comes from the fat from the meat. You'll see that at Olive Garden too, but probably more so since it's sausage. Give it a little taste because you gotta taste it. Oh yeah, that's some good stuff. Alrighty, put a little bit of cracked pepper and salt in there. And that comes from tasting it. Yes, you do have to taste it because if you don't taste it, you won't know what it tastes like. Give it a stir. And of course you want to recheck it. Yeah, that's what I'm doing, rechecking. I'm not eating, I'm rechecking. That's pretty good. Okay, let's go ahead and get it in a bowl. We want to make sure we get all of that goodness. We want to get those potatoes. We want to get the kale. We definitely want to get that Survival K Food canned meat in there. It's going to make me cancel my next trip to Olive Garden. I can guarantee you that. Sprinkle some of that cheese on there. And our secret ingredient, there it is, bacon. Everything's better with bacon. So we're gonna dump some bacon in there. Nice generous amount, right? You can't have too much bacon.
Okay, the time has come. And as you see, we put that beautiful bacon in there. Wouldn't that be nice if Olive Garden put bacon in? I mean, it should be there. Let's give it a nice taste here. It's got the Parmesan cheese. Kale is just right. Oh yeah, you're gonna like this. And I think it's better than Olive Garden. I mean, it's got bacon, it's gotta be better, right? Okay. Oh my God, it's good. It's so good. It's so good. So, what recipe do you want to see next? Is it Olive Garden? Is it something from Texas Roadhouse? We can make all kinds of things, and we're just going to make them better. So, yeah, if you've got some ideas about that, put them below. Or if you know of another restaurant that you would like to see me do some copycat recipes with delicious survival cave food canned meats, let me know, and we can ask the question, is it better? I think this time it was. Now, if you like this recipe, please like this video and subscribe to this channel. I'm going to do a lot of videos with a lot of our canned meats. We have beef, chicken, turkey, pork, ground beef. They're all so gosh darn delicious. Our meats are delicious for every day or the zombie apocalypse. Whatever you're prepping for, it doesn't matter. And they last for years, so you want to stock up your pantry so you have them. We all know what meat prices have done in the past few years, so you should stock up now. If you want to check them out, go in the description. There's a link down there and a code where you can get 20% off your first order. So check that out below.